So we purchased this canvas from our local Goodwill the other day, and the original price for the canvas was around $10. Yeah, there's the price. It was $10, but we actually didn't pay $10. We only paid $6 for it. I am planning to use this to create a piece of wall art to hang in the bathroom that is off of the master bedroom. This is what I ended up creating. I finished it at like 4 a.m. this morning, but that's only because I couldn't sleep. And what does a creative do when they can't sleep? They create.